up, Enduro Fan Rob here, MotoLabDirtBikes.com, 2026 Triumph TF250E. One of the first modifications we're going to do to this is remove the auto-retracting feature from the kickstand. So on the stock bracket here, it actually has this little drum that bolts to the end of the pin, and so it wraps around there. Of course, you've seen possibly in the previous clip, get rid of the auto-retracting feature on the kickstand. So it's just a little shoulder here that where the bracket wraps around, and you can see it causes it to auto retract, which that's not going to be necessary for my application. So we're going to get rid of that. So you could simply unbolt that, and that would take care of most of the problem. However, you're left with a kickstand that just kind of dangles floppy like. So what you could do is buy a KTM kickstand repair kit. So that comes with springs and a couple other collars and miscellaneous pieces. However, the main and most important thing is we're just going to use this new style bracket, and what we're doing is actually just taking some length. You can see how much shorter that is. So what we're going to do, and this is a great opportunity to go ahead and lube the pin and the holes and everything on there, so that's going to be really nice and tight for a good while to come. So perfect time to do that. And this is a really simple way, and in my personal opinion, the easiest way to do it, instead of trying to mess with a spring puller and just getting red in the face. Of course, you want to have everything Loctited. This is the original bushing, original bolt. I did have to file out the inside of this just a touch, but it's nice and smooth now. So what I do is put the springs on, hang them right there, and just go ahead and loop it through like that. And you can use the bracket as a guide. And so what I'm doing is I'm actually using the palm of my hand, and I'll take my other hand as well. So we're just going to just put some weight on it, wiggle it down in, give it a good shove. And then, of course, if you have a helper, that helps too. But go ahead and wiggle it and put your pin in just like that. And you can drive it the rest of the way in. So we'll just get the flats moved around here. And that'll be it. So just nice, quick, and easy. Like that. Boom, just like that. And then what we'll do to finish up the install is always start with a fresh cotter pin. Of course, we're going to put our washer on the backside, fold that thing around. But as you can see, nice and tight, so no more floppy kickstand. Clears that perfectly, and it's nice and tucked in. So I think that that's really the best outcome. So yeah, I hope that helps, and yeah, it might help on your TF250E or C, and I believe the 450E as well. So all right, everyone, hope you're doing well out there, and see you guys on the next one. Appreciate you.